Hi guys, welcome to Mr. Forklift Mechanic. We have Johanrich EFG 220 forklift. This error code showing 2307. 1310 error is the accelerator pedal. We removed and kept outside. That's why showing. And 10181. This two error 2307 and 0181 error code showing. This error code related to hydraulic controller. We checking output voltage for the UVW. Finally, we found this hydraulic controller is faulty. We recommend to replace the new controller. New controller installation video we will upload very soon. Anyhow doubts, please comments me. Thanks for watching guys, and please subscribe and click on the bell.